Express each ratio in simplest form. Dito na natin magagamit yung GCF or greatest common factor. Okay, let's start. 5:5. Let's express this in fractional form first. 5:5 or 5/5. Get their common factor, of course, itself. So 5 divided by 5, we have 1. Then 5 divided by 5, 1. 1:1. Yan yung simplified form ng 5:5. Now, let's proceed sa number 2. Convert natin yan sa fractional form. 10/28. So, syempre, kukunin natin yung GCF or greatest common factor ng 10 at 10. Since even numbers man ito, itong 10 at saka 28, both are divisible by 2. Okay. 10 divided by 2 equals 5. And then 28 divided by 2, we have 14. So, the final answer is 5:14. Yan yung final answer natin sa number 2. Then sa number 3, we have 36/20. So ano kaya ang posibleng GCF nito? Or greatest common factor of 36 and 20? 4. Kasi 36 divided by 4 is 9. Then 20 divided by 4 is 5. So, the final answer is 9:5. Next. Dito tayo sa number 4. Convert in fractional form, 7/35. Then yung common factor nila or greatest common factor is 7. So, 7 divided by 7, we have 1. 35 divided by 7, we have 5. Equals 1:5. Yan yung final answer natin sa number 4. Okay, dito naman tayo sa number 5. So, 12/9. So, ang GCF niyan ay i-divide natin by the GCF. Ano bang GCF ng 12 and 9? Yun yung i-divide by the GCF. 12, the GCF is 3. Both are divisible by 3. So, 12 divided by 3, we have 4. And 9 divided by 3, we have 3. So, parehas lang yan sa 4:3. Yan yung final answer natin for number 5. Now, dito na tayo sa last number. 9/15. So, syempre, ang GCF nila ay 3. So, of course, both numbers, the numerator and denominator, are divisible by 3. So, 9 divided by 3, we have 3. And 15 divided by 3, we have 5. Or, katulad din yun ng 3:5. That is now the final answer. Sana naintindihan ninyo. Manood palagi sa mga videos ni Teacher Mathrix. Thank you so much.